In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your conversations and entire chat history in Google Gemini. If you're looking to clean up past chats or tighten your privacy settings, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact controls you need using the built-in options in Gemini. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. Everything you change here applies to the account you're currently using, so double-check that before you proceed. Next, go to Settings. You'll typically find this by selecting the gear icon or opening the menu and choosing Settings. This is where Gemini keeps your data and privacy controls, including how your activity is stored. From there, click Activity. This section shows how your conversations and prompts are being saved. It's the control center for managing what Gemini keeps and what it doesn't. Inside Activity, look for a small arrow that expands more options. Click that arrow to reveal the key controls. Here, choose Turn Off and Delete Now. This does two things at once. It stops Gemini from saving your future conversations, and it deletes the activity that's currently stored. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully because deleting is permanent and can't be undone. Once you confirm, Gemini will start removing your existing chat activity and will stop saving new chats going forward. If you don't want to turn off saving entirely, but still want to clear what's already there, use the delete option you'll see in the same activity area. Clicking delete removes your entire chat history from Gemini while keeping activity saving turned on for future use. Again, expect a confirmation step. Deleting your history is final, so be sure you're comfortable losing those conversations before you proceed. After you complete the deletion, give it a moment and refresh the page to verify your history is cleared. It can take a short time for changes to appear everywhere, especially across different devices. Keep in mind that these controls affect your Gemini conversations only. They don't remove data from other Google services that are managed separately. That's all you need to do. Open your account, head to Settings, go into Activity, expand the options, and either turn off and delete now or choose delete to wipe your entire chat history. With these tools, you stay in control of what's saved and what isn't, and you can adjust your privacy exactly the way you want.